Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to operate the Pooley's CRP-5 navigation computer. The computer is an arrangement of fixed and rotating discs and a two-sided sliding scale. It can be used to solve the often complex calculations required for navigation and flight planning. Before we start, it's important to be aware of two things about the answers we get from the CRP-5. Firstly, we need to gross error check the magnitude of the answer. For example, the figure 12 on a scale could represent 1.2, 12, 120, 1,200 and so on. Secondly, it's important to remember that the CRP-5 is a circular slide rule. The answers it provides are not as precise as those you would get from an electronic calculator. They are close approximations only, but are good enough for the purposes we need them for.